First, please check you have all of the components. Lay out part A, remove 2 and put away as spares. Make sure you have 2 piles of 12 part A, facing each other. For the right side of part A, insert clips part C, in all 12 pieces. Make sure you have clipped all of the 12 pieces. Start with one single part A, from the left pile. Then count 7 and 9 holes down, clip the parts together. Repeat this process. Make sure you support the back of the parts when clipping together. Clip the parts together to form the shape. Roll the shape and then push in all remaining clips. Slide the optional lamp holder cover over the cord, push on tight to cover bulb holder. Unwind part E, then slide the top and cord grip onto part D cord. Measure to check that the bulb holder will sit slightly above middle of the light, as shown here. Tighten the cord gripper, then slide part B top onto the cord. Gently place the cord and top into the shape. Align with the clips. Clip the top into place. Well done! You have successfully made your kit set light.
Hi, thank you for buying one of our lights. I hope you enjoyed making it. It's fun. And thank you also for being part of our seed system. We do everything we can to be as environmentally responsible, and you being part of that by embracing the kit set making of the lights reduces the impact of those lights on their environment. Thank you very much. Please follow us on our social media. Keep up to date with our whānau, with our family. Enjoy your light. Kia ora.